All right, this is what they look like beforehand. Everyone knows them. They're actually pretty cool feeling, but they're just so short. I feel like a T-Rex. All right, to get the grips off, you have to blow a little bit of air in there. If you want to keep the Dualtron grips, I do, I like them. So that's how you do it. Or you can take a rubber mallet. All right, that's what it looks like naked. It was a little difficult to get the grips off, but I wanted to keep them. This was my friend. 5mm Allen key, 10mm socket. All right, the headless Dualtron Thunder. I'm gonna put this 80mm stem adapter on. Okay, a little bit of Loctite. Smooth it around. Perfect. To note, don't over torque them. These coming together. Now for the clamp. Yeah, it's coming along really nicely. Far and away, the biggest problem I had was mounting my light fixture in there, which I love. Would you just have to put it back behind there, and it comes out right here. It works great. You just won't be able to use this piece, but the friction holds it on so well that, and it's angled down just the way I like it. So that was important to me because I didn't want to put one on the sides or anything like that. So, all right, to continue. And just to fit the side pieces on the brakes and everything, had to lower it. Didn't have to take it all the way off, so that's cool. Okay guys, first impressions. First ride. Come on. Oh my word. Wow. This is completely different.